That looked like Theris. It has been a long time since you sent him to the underworld, Arcantos. Fighting old battles again?
Yes. Old enemies. I still see them here.
You have won more battles for Atlantis than can be counted, faced opponents no other man dared fight.
That was long ago. Today, Atlantis' enemies live only in my dreams. I face feeble pirates now.
Is that what you believe, Atlantean? Atlantis still has enemies, and you are still the one who will face them.
Any who threaten my home or my family will soon have a place in my dreams.
These are enemies unlike the others, Arcantos. Do not let your guard down. Dark times are coming, and you are needed. Arcantos, awaken.
Admiral, sir.
Yes?
We've sighted land on the horizon. We should reach Atlantis soon.
Excellent. It will be good to see my son Castor again.
You cannot ignore the omens, Arcantos. Lord Poseidon's displeasure is clear. We must help break the siege at Troy.
Troops we send now will be lucky to arrive before the fight is over. Even if they do, their only task will be to show the banner of Atlantis, not a task for an admiral.
It would shame Agamemnon if we sent one of your junior officers. He already complains that we do not pay enough attention to the Greek colonies. No, it must be you.
What in the name of... Castor, stay here! Get those Petroboli up here.
The Atlantean army is on the way. Defend the harbor until they arrive.
Arcantos is a hero, and very effective at killing myth units such as the Kraken.
Well done. We should prepare ourselves for more attacks.
Remember, additional Toxotes can be trained at the archery range.
Έτοιμος. Έτοιμος. Πάνω. Έτοιμος. Πρόσταγμα. Έτοιμος. Βούλομαι.
Έτοιμος. Μάλιστα.
Black sails! A landing party!
Έτοιμος.
Καλώς!
Λέγε. Καλώς.
Έτοιμος. Έστω. Έστω.
Καλώς!
Πρόσταγμα. Καλώς.
Good. The black sails are going to regret this.
Λέγε. Ορθώς.
Several villagers are working in town west of the harbor. If you are running out of a particular resource, you should consider retasking them to gather it.
Another
Έτοιμος.
kraken
Ορθός.
approaches.
Πρόσεχε.
Poseidon's wrath is clear.
Έτοιμος. Εις μάχην. Λέγε. Πρόσταγμα. Εισβολή.
Λέγε. Καλώς.
Έτοιμος. Καλώς. Πάνι.
Έτοιμος. Εισβολή.
Έτοιμος. Ορθός. Καλώς.
Έτοιμος. Εισβολή.
Πρόσταγμα. Ορθός. Ορθός.
Πρόσεχε. Καλώς.
Έτοιμος. Βούλομαι.
Λέγε.
Good work. But keep your
Ορθός.
eyes open.
Λέγε.
Πρόσταγμα. Βούλομαι.
Arkantos, do not forget to call upon your god powers. Your god powers are located in the top center of the screen. Use the rain god power to help your farms produce more food.
Another kraken headed for the shore.
Πρόσταγμα. Έστω.
A landing party. Έτοιμος. Καλώς.
Πρόσταγμα. Καλώς. Βούλομαι. Χώρο. Λέγε.
Excellent. Get ready, everyone. This isn't over yet.
Πρόσταγμα. Πάνι.
Consider upgrading the
Carlos.
weapons and armor of your units at the armory.
Λέγε. Βούλομαι.
Πρόσταγμα. Ορθός.
Black sails. Pirates.
Πρόσταγμα.
Καλώς. Καλώς.
Πρόσταγμα.
Εισβολή. Λέγε.
Έτοιμος.
Έτοιμος. Χώρο.
Λέγε. Καλώς.
Λέγε. Εις μάχην.
Πρόσταγμα. Έστω. The pirates won't take Atlantis this way. What are they thinking?
Use the restoration god power to heal your units and mend your buildings.
Λέγε. Μεταλλεύς.
Another Kraken approaching! Pray this is the last! A black sail landing party!
Πρόσταγμα πάνι.
Έτοιμος. Εισβολή! Έτοιμος. Καλώς. Πρόσταγμα. Έτοιμος.
Πρόσταγμα. Εισβολή.
A hero has fallen. Regain control of the area to revive your hero.
Λέγε. 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 Εισβολή. Έτοιμος. Χώρο. Πρόσταγμα. Ορθός. Εισβολή.
Έτοιμος. Έτοιμος. Εισβολή. Πρόσεχε. Καλώς. Έτοιμος. Λέγε.
Έτοιμος. Καλώς.
Έτοιμος.
The Atlantean army will be here soon.
Λέγε. Ορθός. Λέγε. Βούλομαι. Έτοιμος. Πάνι. Έτοιμος. Πάνι.
Λέγε. Λέγε. Καλώς.
Arcantos! The Atlantean army has arrived! Commend us, Arcantos!
Πρόσταγμα. Βούλαμε.
Έτοιμος.
A hero has fallen.
Έτοιμος.
Έτοιμος. Καλώς.
Πρόσταγμα.
Λέγε.
Λέγε. Καλώς.
Πρόσταγμα. Μάχη. Μάχη. Έτοιμος. Πρόσταγμα. Καλώς.
Έτοιμος. Πάνω. Ορθός.
Έτοιμος.
The black sails are fleeing. It will take more than pirates to overrun Atlantis.
Another message from Poseidon, Arkantos. His creatures helped the pirates.
Father, they stole the trident! What?
Yes, it was stolen during the fighting.
Gamos.
There could not be a clearer sign, Arkantos. We are losing Poseidon's favor. We must act.
I will go to Troy as you ask. I'm going to get that trident back on the way. Zethos! Take supplies aboard and get the men together. We're setting sail.
Can I come?
No, I need you here in case they come back. Don't worry. This errand will not take long.